Roman numbers. How do we write Roman numerals? 1 is written like this, 1 stick. 2 is written like this, 2 sticks. 3 is written like this, 3 sticks. But 4 is a little different. It's written like this, 1 stick and a V. 5 is written like this, a single V. 6 is a V and plus a stick is 6. 7 is a V with 2 sticks. That's 7. 8 is a V with 3 sticks. That makes it 8. 9 is a stick with an X. That's 9. And 10 is an X itself. Let's learn more in the class about Roman numbers.